Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's Foodie Friday once again, and we're back to some more muffins. And today we've got some more savoury muffins. And now I bet you're wondering exactly what we're going to be doing this week, or what's coming next. Well, I can surprise you. Today, as you've seen by the description, it's bacon and cheese. And this is my favourite muffin of all. I've done quite a few savoury ones so far, so I'll be interested to see if I can get one that's going to beat it. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget your recipe is down in the description. And also while you're down there, you'll find numbers of playlists. And if you're new to the channel, I'm a professional baker that share tips of the trade that you won't find on any other YouTube channel. Right, so let's get straight on with the recipe. And for your recipe, you want 40 grams of mixed cheese, 80 grams of smoked chopped up bacon, best get the streaky stuff, 164 grams of plain flour, 12 grams of sugar, 6 grams of baking powder, 110 grams of egg, 125 grams of real milk, and 62 grams of melted butter. It's now time to get your oven on. Your oven temperature wants to be around about 180 to 200 Celsius. That depends on your oven. My oven, well, I'm going to fire it up to 200 to start with, and then as soon as I put the muffins into the oven, I'm going to be knocking it down to sort of 180. And they're going to be baking for around about 18 to 20 minutes, give or take. Might take a bit longer. It all depends on your oven. With this type of recipe, with your muffins, you won't be able to put a stick in it and pull it out, because when you pull a stick in, you'll be pulling it out with cheese on it, and it'll look as though it's not cooked. First, we'll start off with a straightforward bowl. Now for your dry ingredients, just whack in your flour, baking powder and sugar. Give that a good stir around. Leave a little well in the middle. Add in your milk. Add in your egg. Add in your butter. And give that a good stir up. Now add your liquid into the middle. So all you need to do with this is just fold it all in. And basically you're just covering the flour. Now add in your cheese and bacon. And fold that all in. All you need now is a muffin tray and your muffin papers. What's a useful tip is using one of these little cups. This is an 80 ml cup, and that's for spooning out. Just fill your muffins. Now for your top, you can put bacon over the top, or you can actually just put a bit of cheese on, which I'm going to put cheese on because I've ate all the bacon. Right, and we'll get them straight into the oven. Well, there you go folks, our muffins are in the oven. They are going to take around about 18 minutes to bake, and that oven temperature at the moment is actually 180 Celsius. Hey, how simple's that? Well, I'll see you back in 18 minutes. Our muffins are ready, we'll get them out the oven. So as soon as your muffins come out of the oven, just take them out of the tray. And that looks a nice muffin. I'm really looking forward to tasting that. Bacon and cheese. Well, there you go folks, wasn't that nice and easy? Yes, I told you so. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And don't forget to check out the description, because that is where your recipe is and lots more playlists of more recipes. So I suppose we better cut one open and have a taste test, because they are looking tasty. It's almost like having a breakfast in a muffin, isn't it? It's a good idea. Don't think you can get the full breakfast in a muffin that big, but you could do a cake, couldn't you? I've already cut one open already. Yeah, you can see the cheese and all that luscious bacon in there. Tasty. Well, here we go. That smoked bacon really works well. God, that's to die for, guys. That is absolutely lush. Now you've got the smokiness of the bacon going through it, and the cheese is just coming through as well. It's just not overpowering. It's just right. And this one doesn't need that salt in there because obviously it's got salt in the bacon. And because my butter had salt in as well, it's like doubling up on the salt. But that is scrummy. Well, there you go, folks. We'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!